Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you how to use Sodom Apple for crowd pulling, diabetes, and other purposes. So, family, the herb that you are seeing on the screen is what we call the Sodom Apple. The Sodom Apple is a very common herb. If you go to nearby bush or even the streets, you can easily get this particular useful herb. There are a lot of things we can say about this herb. Some of the videos that I've made previously, I've talked about how to use it to deliver very easily at the maternity ward. I've also talked about how to use it for skin tags, how to use it for a whole lot of things like measles. If you have given birth and then your breast is not flowing milk, how to use it to make the breast milk come, and a whole lot of things. So please, if you have not watched that video, kindly look at the link to that video under the comment section of this video or the description of this video to watch those useful videos. So the herb that you see on the screen, as I said, is the Sodom apple. Scientifically, it is called the Calotropis procera. In Ghana, the Akans call it Wagashi Ahaban. So this one, if you ask your neighbors, they can easily help you to get it. And then the Nigerians who speak Yoruba call it the Ewe Bom Bom. So they can also, those people who speak Yoruba can also help you to get this particular herb very, very easily. If you also show the picture to your neighbors, they can help you to identify it. So today I want us to talk about how to use it for crowd pooling in your business, and then also how to use it for diabetes, snake bites, scorpion bites, and other purposes. So let's start with how to use it for snake and scorpion bites. If a snake bites you, before you get maybe medical aid, if the place that you are is a bit far from the hospital, you can use the Sodom apple as first aid before rushing to any nearby health center. So what you are going to do is that you are going to grind some of the Sodom apple leaves, then apply the juice on where the snake or the scorpion has bitten. So after doing that, if you see that, you just have to have something to tie it, and then all the bad venom, the venom that has entered your skin will just be coming out. So before you do this, you can use a blade to cut the place that the animal has bitten, and then you force some of the blood to come out, and then you apply this, and then that is also going to force the rest of the venom from your skin, and it is not going to affect you before you can rush to the nearest hospital or medical center. So this is a very useful herb. Even if you plant it in your house, it will repel snakes and scorpions because they don't like it at all. So apart from using it for snakes and those stuff too, if you are such that you have diabetes, if you have diabetes, in addition to whatever diabetes medicine you are taking, if you use the Sodom apple leaves, it is going to help you to be free from the diabetes. So what you are going to do is that you just have to pluck two of the leaves of the Sodom apple. So you pluck it, and every evening when you're about to sleep, you are supposed to put the inner part of the leaf under your feet, and then you wear socks on it to sleep. So you are going to do this for about a week or two, and then you see that all those toxins and then high sugar is going to leave your body. So when you constantly do this and then you take your medicine too, but please kindly ensure that every day you change it. You are not going to use the same Sodom apple every day. Sodom apple leaves every day. You are going to change it every evening, and then you wear socks on it. If you do this for some time, a week or two, the diabetes will come to zero. All those sugar level that you are battling with, it will come to normal, and then you'll be free. So for those people who are such that because of the diabetes they are having some pains in their legs, if you do this, all those pains will come out. So please, those people too who are also such that they also have some pains in their legs, but it is not coming from diabetes. Even if you do this too, it's going to help you. If you feel that you also have toxins in your body, you are advised to do this. If you're also having joint pains or any pains on any part of the body, just tie the sodom apple leaf on that and sleep with it for about a week, and those pains will just leave you. So that is how you are going to use it to treat diabetes. Now let's look at how you can also use it for crowd pulling in your business. So if you are such that you do something that you want to attract a lot of people, you want to attract a lot of people to patronize whatever you are doing, you can use the Sodom apple leaves. So the Sodom apple leaf, for that one, because it's a spiritual direction, it is very advisable that you go there with corn dough. So corn dough is any flour that has been obtained by milling corn. So it can be fermented corn or not. Even if the corn is not fermented or it is dry corn that you have milled, you can still use it. So what you are going to do is that early morning before speaking to anyone and before 6 a.m., you go to the Sodom apple tree and you sprinkle some of the flour or the corn dough around the tree, the Sodom apple tree. And then you say your intentions like you are going to use the leaves for crowd pulling. So by the power God has given it, it should help you to pull crowd in your business. So you just have to pluck about 3 of the leaves. But please, if you are in your menstruation or just have sex without cleansing, you cannot go to the Sodom apple to do this direction. So you just have to cleanse yourself. Just put some salt in water to cleanse yourself before you go there. And if you are menstruating, you cannot go there at all. But if you have had sex, you can cleanse yourself with salt water and go there. So if you are in your menstruation, you cannot do this after the menstruation. So after plucking the 3 leaves of the Sodom apple, you are supposed to go to the tobacco leaves. So the tobacco leaves is the Nicotiana tabacum. So that is the tobacco leaves. When you come to Ghana, it is called the bonto. That one, you go there with your corn flour and then you sprinkle it around it and you say your intentions like you did for the Sodom apple, and then you pluck it. So after plucking, what you are going to do is that you are going to pound it with black soap. Please, black soap is not the same as what they call the alata in Ghana. When you go to those people who sell local herbs, they can give you the black soap. So if you go to those people, just tell them you need kotokoli soap. If you are in Ghana, just tell them you need kotokoli soap. But if you are maybe in Nigeria they often call it Ghana soap. So just get the soap and then you pound it with the 2 leaves together. So after pounding, what you are going to do is that you keep it in a white container. So the tobacco leaves is what you see on the screen. You just have to pound this and then you put it inside a white container. You cover it every morning before sunrise. You use it to bath before going to your workplace or wherever you want to pull the crowd, and it is going to help you. But mind you, when you are menstruation or you just have sex, you cannot use this. So if you just have sex, cleanse yourself before bathing with the soap. So there are a lot of things we can say about the Sodom apple. I've made some videos on it before, like how to use it to deliver very easily at the maternity ward and stuff. I've put the links of these things in the comment section and then the description of the videos. Please kindly ensure that you watch all those, you click on those links and then watch all those videos to help you know more about the Sodom apple. There are a lot of things we can say about it. So please kindly subscribe, because in the next videos I shall talk about some other uses of the Sodom apple and more herbs. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.